WhatsApp primarily generates revenue through its business API and services for enterprises. Here's a brief overview. Business API for large enterprises. WhatsApp offers a business API that enables large enterprises to communicate with their customers on the platform. Businesses pay a fee for using this API to send transactional messages, notifications, and provide customer support. WhatsApp Business App. The WhatsApp Business App is designed for smaller businesses. While the app itself is free, WhatsApp plans to introduce additional features and services for businesses, potentially creating revenue streams. WhatsApp Payments. WhatsApp has introduced the payments feature in certain regions, allowing users to send and receive money directly through the app. While this feature may not be available globally, it presents a potential avenue for generating revenue through transaction fees. Future monetization strategies. Facebook, the parent company of WhatsApp, has been exploring ways to monetize the platform further. This may include introducing more business-related features, advertising, or other premium services.